I learned a lot about what people wanted by selling the first home I built. People walked through it, talked about what they liked and what they didn't, and I listened. They asked a lot of questions about design, construction, pricing. Looking back, two things became crystal clear. First, every home had to start with great design. And second, what people really wanted was the freedom and flexibility to build an affordable home, where and how they wanted it. People want what they want. They want to be involved in every decision and building of their brand new home, created just for them with no compromises. It's theirs, created by them and inspired by them. I built and sold a few more homes when I realized there had to be a better way. I didn't have anything to show or talk to customers about until I had another completed home. I needed a permanent home that customers could see and touch and feel the quality any day of the year. That's where the inspiration for our model homes and design studios came from. We put them right on the highway where people could easily find us. As we grew, we put different models with different floor plans everywhere. They serve our customers well as a springboard for their ideas. They walk the homes. It allows them to fall in love with the parts they want to keep and know exactly what they want to change. And we let them change anything. We built these model homes to give you inspiration.